In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva presentation. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. In the search bar, type in Canva and press enter. You will see a list of results. Look for the official Canva website, which usually appears at the top of the search results. Clicking on this link will take you directly to Canva's homepage. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing your designs and making the necessary adjustments. Once that is done, click on the correct link to access the Canva site. You will be prompted to log in. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Logging in gives you access to all your past designs and presentations. This step matters because without logging in, you won't be able to retrieve your work or make any changes. Now, after successfully logging in, navigate to your design canvas. This is where all your projects are stored. You can find it under the Your Design section on the home page. Scroll through your designs until you find the presentation you want to fix. Clicking on it will open your design canvas, allowing you to view and edit your presentation. This is significant because accessing the right canvas is essential for making any adjustments you need. Next up, look at the top left corner of the editor menu bar. You will see the File option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This is an important step because it provides you with various options related to your project. Through the File menu, you can access version history, which is key for retrieving previous states of your presentation. From there, select version history from the drop-down options. This action will open a new panel on the sidebar of your screen. Here, you will see a list of saved versions of your presentation, each marked with a timestamp. This feature is invaluable as it allows you to go back in time and see how your presentation has evolved. It's reassuring to know that if something goes wrong, you can easily revert back to a previous version. At this point, take a moment to browse through the older timestamps in the sidebar panel. You will see snapshots of your presentation from earlier minutes or hours. If you find a version that looks good to you, click Restore this version. This action will instantly revert your entire presentation deck back to that exact working moment. This step is critical because it can save you from losing valuable work and help you regain a stable version of your presentation. After that, we need to address any heavy animations that might be causing issues. Select the problematic slides within your presentation. You can identify them by their slow loading times or glitches during transitions. Once selected, click the Animate button on the top toolbar. This will open up animation options for those slides. Finally, click Remove Animation to lighten the system rendering load. Removing heavy animations can significantly enhance the performance of your presentation. It ensures smoother transitions and an overall better experience for viewers. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing potential crashes or lagging during your presentation. By following these steps, you've successfully fixed your Canva presentation. Now you can confidently present your work without any technical hiccups.